Hello there Algarve lovers, welcome back to our channel, and today we're in the Old Town of Albufeira and I'm going to take you around a walking talking tour of some of the restaurants and bars there, so come and join me guys. So we'll start off near the tunnel. We've got the guy playing his music that goes there regular. First place we come to is a little shop selling boat tours, kayak tours, fishing trips. You got all the souvenir shops as soon as you come through the tunnel.
Yeah, thank you.
So this restaurant, Alfredo's, really nice Italian restaurant. You've probably seen it before on our other videos. Loads of souvenir shops. That looks nice. Slush. Could do with one right now. It's about 35 degrees. End of June. It's stunning. So cut down here. More shops selling tours. Cave tours, dolphin tours. Or your Zoo Marine Aqua Show, or buggy tours as well, they look good. And them cakes smell nice. So I don't know how busy the square will be at the moment guys, because coincidentally it's the opening game of England tonight in the Euros. So it's pretty quiet at the moment, but the next hour or two you'll pick up. But I prefer it like this actually. Yes, it's quite pleasant, the square at the minute. It's not normally as quiet as this, but it is the calm before the storm. Shop selling you wine, tobacco and spirits. Alright, there's WCs here, public WCs, which is good. So I've eaten in there a couple of times, the doner kebab, mainly on New Year's Eve when we've come. We grabbed a kebab and then midnight hit the beach. We've got all the souvenir stalls. It's a bit rowdy here guys. All the Dutch guys are well happy, yep, there you go. Yep. Yeah. Holland have just beat Poland 2-1. Yeah, they scored I think in the last 10 minutes and then survived a bit of a scare at the end. Trim bar. So these bars in 2 hours are going to be chocker. Yeah. Got a classic bar. Rugby on. So we got Irish Jacks here showing the football tonight. You okay mate? What's the score tonight guys? What's the score tonight? Hope so. Yeah, they're confident there. They're predicting 2-0 for England. You got the Vegas bar there, that'll be really full tonight. Bar here, karaoke, live music most evenings. But none of them are going to have live music on 8 while 10 anyway. It's going to be all football. Oh, it's nice and cool in the shade here. And we're going to pass my little favourite bar. It's a tiny little Brazilian cocktail bar. And normally they play some wicked music. This one here, I'll show you. Yeah, it's wicked. Reasonable cocktails from €6. As we spin round here, heading towards the other part of the beach, we have a few nice restaurants. Nice green parlour there. Cage 44 Steakhouse Burger and Grill. It's supposed to be very nice in there. There's more Italian restaurants. I was going to say Indian. There's more Italian restaurants here. That one up there with the sea view terrace. Fancy trying that one. You got Trattoria Romana here. The Mexican tequila here. Very nice in there. And we'll drop down towards the beach. There's a string of restaurants. They're okay. So this one is called Cabana Fresca. We've not actually done one here, but we are going to. We've done the one next door to it, called Oceano. But yeah, the good reviews about that place. So that is on the hit list as well. This is Oceano. The rooftop terrace. Stunning views of Pescadora Beach. Eventually we'll work our way through all these restaurants. It's going to take a bit of time. One, because we'll get too fat, and two, we've got no money. Well, no, they're all good value for money there. They do happy hour, €3 for a Kaneka. Volleyball on the beach. Yeah, stunning location. Got the Louisiana bar there and restaurant. Lunchtime specials, spaghetti carbonara, €9. You can't beat that. You got the Divini restaurant up on the hill there in the backgrounds. This place, Mr. Ribs, I haven't been to yet, but I fancy it. And we got Mi Sombrero there. We've been in there, had a really nice meal in there. Check our channel out, guys, if you'd like to see the food in there. Got the Splash Bar. What's this place? $4.50 single breakfast. Can't beat that. Flavours it's called, that place. Bar Snoopy. That's a quirky one. Terrace and sea view, you wouldn't think so. Got the Infinity Bar here. They've got huge screens, these. Really good in there. The size of them screens, guys. This in a couple of hours, you won't be able to get a table there. This bar, I can't remember it, but it's really nice inside. With a sangria in there with Sue, obviously. Oh, it's called the 7-bar disco thing. Yep. So cut back down here, going back towards the square. I'll just sit on this step, guys. It's hot. I'm going to end the walking talking tour here, guys, but before I go, head over to our website algarvelove.com if you'd like a chance to win 4 nights in the Algarve at Casa Serrera in Peixal, 4-bedroom 4-bathroom with a stunning pool. Head over there, guys, fill in a very simple form, and boom, you've got the chance to win 4 nights. You've got to be in it to win it, guys, so head over there. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you'd like to see more of our videos, smash that subscribe button, guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Ciao for now.